Hey y'all, we're back. It's your favorite model, Beth J, and today is the day we get to do an office tour of the CFO. So let's go see what he's up to. Hi Joel, how are you?
Hey, good, Bethany, you?
Show us your office. What we got going on in here.
Okay, what do you want to know? Is there anything that stands out that really...
I'm guessing you used to be a firefighter.
I did. So I was a fireman for 21 years and spent the majority of my time in Plano, here in the Metroplex. And this is just some of the stuff that I've collected over the years, and then also when I retired, some of those things that were given to me. So that's just kind of a combination of everything. Those helmets up there were the 3 helmets that I wore throughout my career.
Mm-hmm.
So they have that there, and then like the American flag, it kind of holds some special to me because it was flown at my station that I retired from for the 3 shifts, and then taken down and given to me.
Cool.
So it was really, really cool to be able to have something like that and just kind of remember my time back when I was, in another career.
Love it.
These playing cards, a lot of people think that it's me playing blackjack or something like that, but you can kind of notice, we have over there as well on the flag over there, a ace of spades as well.
Mm-hmm.
The last 6 years of my career as a fireman, I ran on just things that were bad, pretty much. And we were called the squad, which is something that they still do today. But like to me, it represents like the trump card in spades, that we were kind of the last way to win.
Mm-hmm.
And when we showed up, that was kind of, that's what we kind of took our mentality from, like, hey, that's on us, they called us for a reason. So that came from there. But on the flip side of that, we saw a lot of death.
Mm-hmm.
So it was one of those things that it kind of has some different type of meanings. Ended up having some PTSD
Mm-hmm.
from all that over the years. And after I got done with it, had a complete kind of transformation. So now, kind of the King of Hearts kind of represents what I do. So that's really what why I have those.
Okay, so what is this piece about?
So this was given to me as a retirement gift from my lieutenant that I rode with basically for the last 3 years of my career. Really phenomenal guy. His name's Brad McCutcheon. Somebody that we're same in age, but things that I learned from him really helped me kind of through some of the leadership qualities that we can have that helps run the business. So it just holds some sentimental value because one, who it came from, what he means to me, but also just kind of a reminder of the stuff that we went through together and saw together.
So what do you do as a CFO during the day?
I pretty much handle the stuff that Leslie does not like to do. I say that, she has the more, forward-facing with product and marketing, side of it, and then I handle kind of the, day-to-day finances, along with, having, constant conversations with our CPAs or attorneys if need be, city officials, do a lot of networking that kind of helps us advance the business within the community and the city. Is there anything else that you have questions about?
I don't think so.
Thank you for taking the time to visit today. Bethany,
Yes.
it's time for you to go back to work.
Okay, I'm sorry. Thanks. See you later.